Vlookup Approximate match. So here we have score and grade. We have the score and grade. So we have from 0, which is F, that means 0 to 59.9 returns F based on the approximate function. We have 60, that is D. We have 70, which is C. But I like us to change this grades. So yeah, I'll make use of. Okay, let's leave it like this. So we can let's leave it like this. So 70 C, 80 is B, then 90 is what? A. So let's take a case study. A case study of 55. So looking at this, what will be the grade of this score? What will be the grade of this person? The grade of this person will fall on F, true or false, based on approximate match. True or false? True. So let's look at it. Equals VLOOKUP, then the lookup value, table array, like I told us, the table that contains the data. Then column index number. Column index number. So the position of the grade is position 2. Then approximate match. So you can see that it returns F. Let's try another value. What with 79 return?
C.
Huh? C.
C.
Good. So you can see that is how the approximate function works. It's for range, in between specific range. So that is that on the approximate match. Any question? No question.
No.
Thank you. Next.